Do you know what is the topmost quality to stand out from all other public speakers? It's your authenticity. Yes, your authenticity. It's you being you and not fake to be someone else. Not try to become someone else. Have you seen Malala giving a speech on stage? Have you seen Priyanka Chopra giving a speech on stage? Have you seen Kapil Sharma delivering on stage? You might have noticed the audience. They not only listen to them, they get glued to them. They start visualizing those words which come out from the speaker in the forms of stories in their mind. They start to live that moment. You know why these speakers leave a massive impact? Because there is one thing common in these three public speakers, that is they are authentic, they are speaking from their heart.